Hello, I'm John Masco. I'm founder and CEO of Leaftech Ag. I want to invite you to join us on a journey to the transformation of nutrient management. Success in agriculture is measured differently from producer to producer, but regardless of the goal, there are two things in common: the need to know, knowledge, and the need to know now, the action. Currently, we're solving Monday's problems on Friday. And what I mean by that is once we identify a problem in the field and then finally get the analysis back, 3 to 5 days have passed. And there's a critical time frame in the management of nutrients. It's about a 12-day window of growth in the corn plant. And we have to identify and apply what is needed in that time frame. Timing is critical, and the delay in getting data back can impact our ability to produce a very optimal crop. We at Leaftech Ag are providing a solution to this problem by offering a Purdue licensed handheld digital lab that analyzes a plant's nutrient and chemical composition in near real time. Today's current industry standards is that a crop consultant will scout a field and pull about 15 to 20 leaf samples, send them off to a lab, and 3 to 5 days later, they will get the results back from the laboratory identifying what the nutrients are. And then that crop consultant will then identify what the proper nutrient amounts need to be and give that to the grower so they can then apply it. And generally, it's a single rate across the whole field. We take a different result, a different track on that, is that we are providing a handheld scanner that you can scan a leaf and get 13.5 million pixels worth of data, the whole leaf, and that spot is then geo-referenced, and you are given the nutrient content of that plant. Right now, we deliver nitrogen and moisture, and you can scout the whole field you normally would, collecting those different sampling points, going from 1 of composites to 10 to hundreds of more sampling points within a field. We're able to do this very quickly and get a more representative presentation of the field. And then that data is then put into a controller that allows the grower to variable rate the application of nutrients, meeting the plant's needs at a proper time and within minutes or hours versus days that are currently done. When you're able to enact this type of management practices, we have been seeing yield improvements of 50 to 100% and reducing input costs of up to 30 to 60%. There are a few other technologies out there besides the laboratory analysis, and that's a SPAD meter and an analytical tool called Field Spec, which costs about $50,000 to $100,000. And still, we have a very good advantage of being able to transmit that data, collect it, transmit it in a very near real-time basis to get our sampling costs down to literally pennies on the dollars and deliver that as a good representative sampling within the field. The way our program is working is that we have a scanner that we will sell for $5,000, and then we sell an annual crop-specific analytic database that allows you to scan literally as many samples as you want, but in comparison, a crop consultant will do about 500 samples a year at a cost of about $12,500, $25 a sample, and we're able to deliver that at about $2.50, a 90% savings on analytical cost. We have a very strong team. We're founded on a multi-generational farming family, and we understand the impact of what we do and how it affects the livelihoods of our customers and people that we do work for and with. And our success depends on your success, and we take this as a very farmer-to-farmer type program. We have partnered in the industry already with one of the nation's largest crop consulting companies called Servitech. Bex Hybrids also is a large seed company, and we're also working with Sony and other laboratories to help us improve our products so that we bring the best and latest to the marketplace. We're also working with AgLaunch and give us our field validations. AgLaunch is a farmer network that we're using to help validate our product, but also is setting up a farmer angel network. And if you're interested in either opportunity as a validation or with the farmer investment network, please feel free to send an email to AgLaunch at innovation@aglaunch.com. We at Leaftech Ag invite you to join us on this journey of nutrient stewardship. If you'd like to learn more and stay up to date on what's going on, please visit our website and sign up for our newsletter at leaftech.com and subscribe to our newsletter. Thank you very much, and I appreciate your time.